Hi parents, Teacher Intan here. So, today we will learn how to teach our children to vocalize shape based on item. So, our today's goal is for our children able to pronounce shape and also for them to recognize the shape. Okay, firstly, prepare the item, which is a picture of the shape and the item of the shape. Okay, firstly introduce them to the shape. Okay, look, this is circle, circle. Okay, let's pronounce together. Circle, circle. We have square. This is square. Let's pronounce together. Square, square, square. Good job. Lastly, we have triangle. Okay, let's pronounce with me. Triangle, triangle. Okay. Now we show them the item. What is this? Circle, circle. What is this? Triangle, triangle. Okay, and now let them recognize the shape. Which one is triangle? Which one is triangle? This one, triangle. Hi parent. Okay, let's practice more. Okay, what shape is this? Square, square. Good job. Next, what shape is this? Circle, circle. Good job. Lastly, we have triangle, triangle. Good job. Okay, now can you show me which one is circle? Which one is circle? This one is circle. Good job.